This 2026 Coachmen Prism Elite 24 MBE is a Class C RV. It is located in Wayland, Michigan, 49348 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, slide-out, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2026 Coachmen Prism Elite 24 MBE is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.